an idiot if you're not watching these three stocks for Thursday's trading day. Last night, as always, I gave you one of the biggest stocks in the market before it exploded over 50% today going into market open. If you missed it, I have some pretty bad news. This is going to be my last watch list post forever. Now, I'm just joking, but tomorrow's stocks look even better as we head into some of the hottest days of the week going into Thursday and Friday. I'm saving my absolute favorite stock for last. It looks absolutely insane, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. First up, and number one on the list here is the beautiful daily breakout that occurred here today on ticker ALT. Now, it does not get much cleaner than this. Now, this thing does have a little bit lower volume than I would like, so I want to wait and see if this actually finds volume tomorrow morning. If we see buyers come in, storm this thing with some volume tomorrow, over $7.60 on that daily breakout, we have range here all the way towards $8.30 a share. This thing looks pretty freaking incredible after breaking out of this double top high today, so definitely should be on the top of your list tomorrow. Number two looks 10 times better than the first one on the list, and that stock here is PSTV. Now, this thing exploded nearly 150% this morning going into market open, and it looks like it's ready for a bit of a day two move, but only if this one thing happens. Now, I'm gonna have to find strength over this past area of sellers over 38 cents a share. If we find buyers over 38 cents, or really 39 cents, I wanted to look for pullbacks to confirm off these dips, then over 36 cents. Buyers over 39, then look for pullbacks to retest and confirm over 36. That's going to be your confirmation for your entry. Range then overhead is going to be back to today's previous high of day to 45 cents, then to your next daily highs of 60 cents a share. This thing truly does look incredible, but as always, no break, no trade. Next up, number three, and last but not least here, this thing looks freaking insane. Now, we had news this morning on this thing too that I think could cause this thing to surge going over the next few days, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the biggest stocks in the market every single night for completely free. So hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now, that stock here is the massive explosion from this morning over on QS. QS exploded over 30% today after announcing a path to commercialization, and it just continued to confirm off these higher lows today, looking like it wants to make a day two move tomorrow. If this thing gets going, it could make a pretty massive move. Now, I'm gonna have to see this hold off of trendline support pretty similar to SRFM today. I want to see this confirm over $5.50. Now, if we do confirm over that $5.50 low, we have range back to the top of the flag here towards $6. Then if we get breaking there, we have room towards $6.20 and $6.45 overhead. Again, this thing looks absolutely insane, but as always, no confirmation, no trade, but this is my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow. To unlock access to my entire stock watch list every night, every morning, to watch me trade these stocks in real time every single day, get alerts, education, chat room access, and so much more, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial while the market is insanely hot so you're not just left sitting on the sidelines missing out. And as always, comment down below which one of these three stocks is your absolute favorite stock for tomorrow, and I will see you in that 7-day free trial for another record-breaking trading day in the stock market.